A quick recap of the tabular method. So when you have a product of functions, we could use the integration by parts rule. However, as we saw in class, a problem with a factor like x to the fourth means we might have to do integration by parts 4 times. So instead, we'll use the tabular method. We have 3 columns in our table, and in this column, we'll enter u and its derivatives, and in this column, we'll enter dv and its antiderivatives. So u in this problem is x to the fourth, and dv is sine of x dx, but we don't actually write the dx when we do the table method. All right, let's work our way down. At this stage, in the u column, we actually start with u, and now start doing the subsequent derivatives of u. Until you get to 0. All right, come on over to dv. The antiderivative of sine is negative cosine of x. The antiderivative of that is negative sine of x. The antiderivative of that is cosine of x. The antiderivative of that is sine of x, and the antiderivative of that is negative cosine of x. And you can stop when you get to the 0. All right, and at the side chart, we always begin with positive, and we just toggle between positives and negatives in the same rows as we did the u's and the dv's. All right, at this stage, we are going to start with the plus sign and go straight across and then angled down. So we have a positive x to the fourth times negative cosine of x. Next term, a negative 4x cubed times a negative sine of x. So we have a positive.